In the second report of our urban mining series, we take a look at how sorted electronic waste is further refined to produce precious metals. However, such process produces harmful toxins, and thus licensed businesses must adhere to strict protocols for the sake of the environment and public health.
At over 1,200 degrees Celsius, this crucible has turned glowing red. The melted metal within is then poured into a mold. Soon, the liquid solidifies. This is possibly the highlight of urban mining. The solidified metal is gold. No bigger than a hand, it is worth over $30,000 US. The golden shine is the culmination of the hard work of many. Every day, more than a dozen dumpster trucks transport a city's unwanted electronic waste to this processing plant.
About some 1,000 tons are sent here every month.
The plant reprocesses discarded appliances and consumer electronics, and in turn provides the raw materials that businesses need to make new products.
About 50% of the raw materials are iron, 10% are copper. Aluminum is about 3 to 5%, and plastic is about 20%.
The old CRT TVs are taken apart manually, and the salvaged iron, copper, aluminum, and glass are purer than one can find in any natural mines.
Actually, mining is rather inefficient. Perhaps in 1 million tons of ore can we extract enough quality metals to make 1 ton of engines. The rest would be useless.
But just like mining, the plant employs a lot of staff who man various processing stations. At the same time, they have to be careful of the toxins within the waste and dispose of them properly.
Take this 7 kilograms cathode ray tube, for example, where they have to pay about $2 US for it. But it comes with a 15-kilogram glass panel and a bed of fluorescent dust, which means a total cost of $3 US. Illegal processing plants just don't want to pay for that.
With the hard work the plant has invested, garbage can rarely be turned into gold.
On the motherboard of every computer are gold-tipped connectors which strengthen conductivities and prevent corrosions. Though the amount isn't much on one board, if there are 10,000 of them, 1 kilogram of gold can be extracted.
Through burning, we can reduce the volume of the raw materials. Afterwards, we will follow up with acid baths to extract the precious metals.
Those with high metal contents are sent directly to chemical processing, but those that are large in volume and low in content will be sent to an incinerator first. However, the toxic fumes released are a serious environmental threat. According to Taiwanese law, all exhaust and wastewater must be processed before being released into the environment. Thus, licensed businesses need to adhere to strict protocols.
We have secondary incinerators which are set at 950 degrees Celsius to take care of the dioxins produced from the initial incineration. Dioxins burn up at 850 degrees, so there will be no pollution.
When circuit boards are burned, the remaining ash is high in metal content. Through chemical processing, it becomes...
What comes out is a mud-like substance which we call fine gold sponge. By exposing it to high temperatures, we can refine the gold.
Due to the high purity of the extracted metals, businesses have been able to export them abroad. Though Taiwan lacks natural metal mines, it has learned to value the importance of urban mining.
Every year, we reclaim about 3 to 4 tons of gold, nearly 50 tons of silver, and over 1,000 tons of copper, which generates some $180 million US in revenue, which just about covers our costs.
However, the electronic waste produced in Taiwan is finite and cannot satisfy the demand. It is up to the government to dictate how the industry shall develop.